Do you speak good English, but still feel something is missing when you talk to native speakers? Today, we fix that. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Teach English. I'm Eva, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm John. Thank you for joining our new episode. We hope you're ready to learn something fun, simple, and very useful.
Yes, because today's topic is very special.
Today, we're talking about English cultural nuances, the small things that make your English sound natural, friendly, and not robotic.
Many learners know grammar and vocabulary, but their speaking still feels a little stiff.
Exactly. Native speakers don't only use words. They use tone, emotion, pauses, politeness, and simple cultural habits.
And the good news is you can learn all of these.
And they're not difficult. You just need to understand them clearly.
So in this first part, we'll warm up and talk about what cultural nuances are and why they matter.
And we'll give you very easy examples so you can start using them today.
So John, let's start simple. What are cultural nuances?
Good question. I would say cultural nuances are small habits people have when they speak.
Yes, they're not big rules like grammar. They're more like soft skills in language.
Exactly. For example, in English, people often smile when they're talking, even to strangers.
Yes, and they say things like, "Hey, how's it going?" even if they don't expect a long answer.
Right. These tiny habits make the conversation feel natural.
Many learners think English is only words and grammar.
But real English is also tone, emotion, and attitude.
For example, if you say, "Give me water," the grammar is correct.
But the feeling is a bit strong.
Yes, it sounds robotic or even rude.
But if you say, "Could I have some water, please?" the meaning is the same, but the feeling is soft and polite.
This is a cultural nuance, how we shape our request.
Another example. When English speakers disagree, they usually do it gently.
Yes, we don't normally say, "You are wrong."
Instead, we say, I'm not sure, Yi sure. I see your point, but
These small phrases make the conversation smoother.
and they help you sound more natural, not like a robot or a translation app.
Many learners tell us, "I speak English, but I don't feel confident."
And usually the problem is not grammar. It's these cultural habits.
So if you want natural conversation, you need to understand how English speakers show politeness, how they show emotion, how they agree or disagree, how they use tone, how they make small talk.
And don't worry, we will explain all of these in very simple ways.
Yes, and we'll give examples you can copy and practice every day.
By the end of this episode, you will sound warmer, friendlier, and more natural in English. If you're enjoying part 1 so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment so we can make more helpful episodes for you.
Welcome back to Teach English. Let's continue.
In part 2, we will talk about one of the most important cultural nuances in English, politeness.
Yes, English speakers often soften their tone.
This means they make their words sound gentle, friendly, and easy to accept.
And the good news? You can learn this very quickly. So, John, why is politeness so important in English?
Because English culture values space and comfort. People like when others speak in a soft, respectful way.
Yes, Even simple things sound different. For example, many languages say things very directly.
But in English, direct sentences can sound too strong.
Let's give simple examples.
Sure, if you say to close the window, it is correct, but strong.
Instead, you can say, "Could you close the window, please? Would you mind closing the window? Is it okay if we close the window?"
All these versions are polite and softer.
Another example is asking for help.
Many learners say, help me.
Yes, this sounds like you're in danger.
A more natural way is, can you help me with this? Could you give me a hand? Can I ask for your help?
These are small changes, but they make a big difference.
Here's another nuance. English speakers often add please, thank you, and sorry more than other cultures.
Yes. For example, if you bump into someone, you say sorry, even if it's a small thing.
Or if someone waits for you, even for a few seconds, you say, thank you for waiting.
These tiny phrases make you sound polite and natural.
And they help you avoid sounding robotic.
A great tip is to use softening phrases.
Yes, phrases like, maybe we can, I think, I feel like, I'm not sure, but
These phrases make your ideas sound friendly.
if you say, you are wrong, it's too harsh.
But if you say, I'm not sure about that, it's gentle and natural.
Another example. If someone asks for your opinion, don't jump in directly with a strong sentence.
Start with something soft like, well, I think, or in my opinion,
These small habits help you build better conversations.
and people will enjoy talking to you more.
Yes. Politeness is not only language, it's culture. If this part helped you sound more natural in English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.
Welcome back again. This part is one of my favorites.
Mine too. Because now we will talk about emotion and tone, which are a huge part of natural English.
Yes, even simple English becomes beautiful when you add small emotional reactions.
And beginners can learn this easily.
So, John, let's start with something very simple. English speakers use small emotional sounds in conversation.
Yes. These sounds are not full words, but they show feelings like, oh, wow, really? Oh no. That's great.
When you add these reactions, your English becomes alive.
Without them, your English sounds flat, robotic, and too serious.
For example, imagine this. Someone says, I got a new job. A robotic answer would be, okay.
But a natural answer is, oh wow, that's great. Or, really? Congratulations.
Yes, it sounds warm and friendly.
Another example. Someone says, I'm tired today. A robotic answer might be, why?
But a natural answer is, oh no, what happened?
These small reactions make the conversation feel human.
Another big nuance is tone.
Yes. Tone can change the meaning even when the words are simple.
For example, the sentence, are you okay? Can have many tones.
Happy tone, are you okay? Friendly. Worried tone, are you okay? Concerned. Angry tone, are you okay? Upset.
Same words, different feelings.
Exactly. English speakers listen to tone more than grammar.
Let's practice something simple.
A hard tone sounds like this. What do you want?
A soft tone sounds like, hey, what do you need?
Same meaning, different feeling.
A 1/A2 learners often forget this part.
Yes. They translate directly from their language, and it becomes strong.
But English uses softness to show politeness and friendliness.
You can also use short, simple phrases to sound natural. Oh, I see. That makes sense. I get it. No way. Really? That's interesting. I love that. I'm not sure.
These are very easy, but very powerful.
You can use them in daily conversation everywhere.
If this part helped you understand natural conversation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Teach English. Welcome back to Teach English.
In this part, we'll talk about something many learners struggle with.
Yes, small talk.
Small talk is light, easy conversation that helps people connect.
English speakers use small talk all the time, at work, in shops, with neighbors, even with strangers.
And if you understand small talk, you will sound more friendly and natural.
So, John, why is small talk so important in English-speaking culture?
Because it helps people feel comfortable. English speakers don't start with deep, serious topics.
Yes, they start with simple things: weather, weekend plans, daily feelings.
For example, many conversations begin with, "How's it going? How are you? Nice weather today? How was your weekend?"
And here's the secret: they don't expect long answers.
Right. A natural answer is short, like, "I'm good, thanks." "Pretty good." "Not bad." "Yeah, it's really sunny today."
Another nuance is smiling. Small talk in English often uses a warm smile.
Yes, smiling shows friendliness.
For example, when someone says, "How are you?" Even if you're tired, a natural answer is, "Good, good, and you?"
Exactly. You don't usually start with complaints in small talk.
Yes, you save deeper feelings for close friends.
Let's list some safe, natural small talk topics: weather, work or school, weekend plans, movies or TV, simple compliments, basic daily updates, travel plans.
These are easy and safe topics for everyone. Another important nuance is giving simple compliments.
Yes. English speakers often say things like, "I love your jacket." "Your bag is nice." "That's a cool phone."
And the natural answer is simple: thank you.
Not rejecting it, not arguing, just thanking them.
Another nuance, ending small talk politely.
Yes, you can say, "Nice talking to you. See you later. Have a good day. Take care."
These simple endings make the conversation feel complete.
Without them, the ending can feel awkward.
Let's do a sample.
"Hey, Eva, how's it going?"
Pretty good. How about you?
"Not bad. Busy day, but good.
Yeah, same here.
Nice weather today, right?"
Yes, it feels so nice outside.
And that's it. Natural small talk. If this helped you understand English small talk better, please like, subscribe, and comment so we can create more lessons for you.
Welcome back. This is our final part of the episode.
And it's a very important one, because today we'll learn how English speakers agree, disagree, and end conversations naturally.
Yes, These skills help you sound confident but also friendly.
Many learners speak too directly when they disagree, and it sounds strong or rude.
But don't worry, we'll show you very simple, polite ways to do it. Let's start with agreeing.
Yes. When English speakers agree, they often use short, warm phrases like, yeah, totally, exactly, I agree. That's true, for sure.
These phrases are easy, but they add energy to the conversation.
Yes. Imagine someone says, learning English takes practice.
A natural answer is, yeah, for sure.
Instead of a robotic yes.
Or if someone says, this movie is really funny, you can say, oh yes, it's so funny.
Sounding excited makes your English feel alive.
Now let's talk about disagreeing.
This is where cultural nuance is very important.
Yes, in English, people disagree gently.
They almost never say, oh, you are wrong.
Instead, they use softening phrases like, I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but maybe, but I think, I get it, but maybe another idea is, that's interesting, but
These make your disagreement sound calm and respectful.
for example, if someone says, I think English is easy, you can reply, maybe for some people, but I think it depends.
You're disagreeing, but politely.
Another natural nuance is ending conversations politely.
Yes. English speakers rarely end suddenly.
They use soft goodbye phrases like, anyway, I should get going. It was nice talking to you. I'll see you later. Let's talk again soon. Have a great day.
These make the ending smooth and friendly.
For example, anyway, I should get going. Nice talking to you.
Very natural.
And very easy to learn.
So today we learned 5 important skills: politeness, tone, and emotion, small talk, soft disagreements, natural conversation endings.
These cultural nuances help you sound more human and less robotic.
And they make conversations smoother, happier, and more confident.
You don't need advanced English for this.
You just need to practice these small habits every day.
And soon, people will say, wow, your English sounds so natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to Teach English. Your support helps us make more simple, friendly English lessons for you.